Lights on the car corner pace truck are out as Mike Byer is going to bring them around. And they're going to pick up speed now. Here they come, here they come, here they come! Green flag and we're racing! And into turn one. Mike Byer off to a tremendous jump there in the beginning here to try to get in front of DJ Smith. DJ's going to battle right back. Driver X might look to make it 3 wide. Changes his mind, decides to go to the outside. Driver X working on Mike Byer now. It's DJ Smith out on his own. Here comes Driver X. As I said, we'd see this battle again. We'll see if Driver X has got something for him for 30 laps now. As you can watch, here comes Driver X starting to work on the inside of DJ Smith. As they made contact. Mike Byer looking to take advantage of the situation there. DJ's letting Driver X know. I don't think he was too happy about that. They are coming around. Your leader is Driver X, followed by the 80 of DJ Smith, followed by the 75 of Mike Byer, followed by the 99 of Hunter Dreyfall, and the 25 of Wild Willie Nelson. Mike Byer starting to put the pressure on the back of DJ Smith now. Mike Byer, here he comes, look to challenge DJ Smith again. DJ Smith got a little loose. Into turn, we are now 9 laps into this 30-lap event, 21 to go. We have one more race to go after this. The Mountain Dew Kickstart Roadrunners will be coming out for their feature following this race, but right now, it's all Driver X. Getting near the halfway point. Everybody just running along single file here. DJ Smith starting to look like he's going to make a comeback here and challenge Driver X for the lead. DJ Smith doing what he can to try to wind in Driver X. But the two are pulling away now from the 75 of Mike Byer, but the 99 of Hunter Dreyfall might have a chance of grabbing third place from Mike Byer. Driver X looks like he got just a little loose there coming out of turn 2. So now DJ Smith is right there with Driver X here. We are in 17 laps down, 13 to go. But our fast qualifier is out front right now. 20 down, 10 to go for driver X, John Reynolds Jr. DJ Smith trying to put the pressure on. It's now or never for DJ. But driver X looks like he kind of pulls away there coming out of turn 2. DJ will close him in the turns, but then X will pull away. As the laps are winding down. DJ starting to look to the outside of driver X now. As they are right there. DJ starting to look to the inside. He's going to challenge him for the lead. Oh, DJ and X side by side. Whoa, DJ got a little loose coming out of 2. Oh, no. That may have just sealed the deal as driver X. Well, I don't know if DJ can come back. Let's see what's going to happen here. White flag out, this time by for driver X, John Reynolds Jr. There's enough time. I don't know if DJ can catch him now. It was close earlier. It's going to be driver X, John Reynolds Jr. With a DJ Smith, a very close second. Third place, Mike Byer. Fourth, Hunter Dreyfall. And fifth place goes to Wild Willie Nelson. Sponsored by Rock River Valley Painting, RRVP, Colin Metals, JR Motorsports, Rock Valley Antique and Street Rod, Racing, KMK Media Group, Crazy Times Pub and Grub, Loves Park Tire and Auto, Jammer Race Engines, and he's unstrapping to drive really hard. To run really hard tonight here. Smith was going at it back and forth. Who does? Oh, okay. All right. Okay, yep. Here he is, makes noise, Rockford Speedway. Driver X, John Reynolds Jr. Mrs. Deary would like to personally congratulate you. Let's go over here. Let's talk about that race tonight. You were fast qualifier. It definitely looked to me like you were faster than DJ there. Maybe DJ got a little loose, but looks like he tried to make a comeback. But you had a very, very fast car tonight, John.
Yeah, it was all right. You know, we need to get faster, but DJ's probably not too impressed with the move we put on him there, but it's not his fault. I'm mad, you know, from the Big 8 race, but I can't let him start on the front row every week and win either, so... You know, we had a good run on him off of 4, and that's what it takes here at Rockford Speedway. You give him a little door and you go.
I understand. Driver X, do you have any sponsors and anybody else you'd like to thank tonight?
Well, I got to thank, everybody. It's been a lot of hard work here in the last few weeks. Everything was banned on the cars, but we got to thank Steve Hedlund at Colin Metals, Rock Valley Antiques, Jammer Racing Engines, Left-Hander Chassis, Rock River Valley Painting is one of our huge sponsors. WXRX, the best radio station in town. And I got to welcome Insurance King on the race car tonight. We had fast time, won for him, so pretty proud of that. Got to thank my dad for everything he did for me in the last couple weeks. You know, people don't think we get along, but actually we do. He does a lot for me. So, you know, we're just two grumpy old men, and that's the way we live our life. But had to win tonight. You know, one of our crew members, Hunter Nason, is getting the chop on Tuesday. So it was a big heart tonight. It was just a lot of pressure to make sure we got the job done.
Outstanding, John. Will you be racing in the Big 8 Series Friday night at Marshfield, sir?
Well, it's at Wausau, right?
Wausau, yes.
Don't send me the wrong track.
No, right. You're right. Yeah, State Park Motor Speedway. Will you be there Friday night?
We're going to think about it. We got knocked out of the Big 8 deal by Dirty Dale here 2 weeks ago. I mean, then we missed Slinger. But, you know, got to talk to crew about it. You know, they could fill Wausau in with water, and that wouldn't bother me. But my crew always reminds me we're batting 500 over there. You know, we won twice here in the last couple of years. But maybe we'll give it a shot.
Okay. Once again, Rockford Speedway, I want to congratulate you, sir. Congratulations. Everybody, driver X John Reynolds Jr.